Hey crafters, how are you today? Happy Friday. This is gonna be a short video about these guys. So this week we've been making Paw Patrol. We made these into a memory game, and then we also made chase on the case face masks out of this template. We glued it on top of a cereal box to make it a bit stronger, so when you cut it out then you can wear it, put a string around your head or just hold it with your hand. It will be a bit stronger than just a paper like that. What else have we been doing? We've been painting lions this week, so you can check that out on Instagram if you want. You can find the free printables on the website. I'll put a link below in descriptions. Also, thank you for sending in your requests. It's always fun to hear from you guys, and I'll try to make something out of that next week. If you're new to the channel, my name is Charlotta, and I run a company called London Art Nanny, so I do lots of arts and crafts with kids all around London. Like, subscribe, and check out the video.
Paw Patrol shapes.
Well done.
See, can you lift it up and see? Sky!
It's my turn.
Okay, turn it around and then you try.
And then my turn again.
Sky! Where was Sky? Yay! You found a pair!